Hi friends, finally today we are in Udayagiri.
Yes, bro.
We are very happy to see this place. You can see
from sir. Front size देखिए तो बुझो.
this is Masankar Dwan, my friends.
Fine.
Kobi, Kobi, we are very
Now
happy.
we are arrived at Udayagiri of Jajpur district.
The diamond of triangle.
Diamond of Triangle is there.
of the sun, it rising sun, bro. Udayagiri. That's why. It is east facing. The river कोथले, Kelo and Birupura conjunction point. ठीक है ना? So it is first experiment like 90s में, और it is Udayagiri one side. और जो पटना सर कोथले, पटना सर ऐसी माने जो फुल क्लास में वहाँ पे ऐसे लेने, ये पूरा एक्सकर्शन है, स्टार्टिंग. तापर फेज 2 पे है ना, तो